Flying 30,000 feet in the lap of luxury just got a whole lot more affordable, at least for Gilbert Ott and Laura Burns, who scored a flight on this private jet for free.
The look on our face definitely told the story. You know? they knew we weren't regulars.
The travel bloggers say they found the plush trip from Boston to Washington, D.C. through the travel app JetSetter, then used an online promotion to earn points that paid for their entire flight.
Just took a picture of our driver's license for, safety. And he said, okay, great, I'll send you an invoice, which read big 0 at the bottom.
But JetSetter is just one of their many secret weapons.
My favorite thing are the deal sites. Every day, there are some sites that are dedicated to just spitting out the best flight deals. Airfare Watchdog, theflightdeal.com, and of course our site, GodSaveThePoints.com.
They say you can use these sites to save big on airfare just by doing a little research.
There are opportunities every week, maybe not for a private jet, for a crazy cheap flight.
And Gilbert says don't forget to rack up those flyer miles.
You can earn miles for tweeting, liking something on Facebook, renting a car.
You can earn miles tweeting?
Yeah.
What?
Some airlines, they want, Twitter followers, or they want a little bit of social presence. They'll give you 500,000 miles just for... It's crazy, but it's true.
Even though they aren't holding their breath for another private jet anytime soon, they say this summer they'll be slumming it in business class, flying overseas just on their miles.
A big stack of miles. We're going to Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Vietnam.
How much would a trip like that cost?
The tickets alone would be 20 grand.
And they're flying for free. Again, it just takes work. All right, Award Wallet is the app. That's the one that can keep up with
Award Wallet?
Award Wallet. You can keep up with
it.
all your points, but on the private jet part, this is one, it just takes work to find those vouchers. You're all looking at me. It was a one-way trip, and here's the thing. Stay with me. But the plane was going from Boston to D.C. if it had passengers on it or not. That's part of it as well. So they don't mind,
They were stowaways, George, right?
George, I knew you were coming for me.
No. And you only get to go one way, minor detail.
But it was free.
It was free. Thank you, George. I've been waiting all year for that.